So, we have stopped for the night. We stopped early. We've been getting rained on all day long. And when I say all day, I do mean all day. It's slowed up now. These clouds come and go. I got my boy Jeff camped right over there. Right now he is down there having some dinner. Kind of landscape here. Here we go. Oh, we are camping. We are doing some camping. So, I damn near got hypothermic today. Rain suit totally sucked. Gonna give it a negative review once I figure out what it is. But as you can see, there are my wet clothes from today and my wet rain suit. Rain suit, zero impact. My boots rocked. Solomon GTXs. Highly recommend them. Only thing stayed dry on me today were my head and my feet. I might fly a little bit too close to the hammock last night, so I had a little leakage issue. Water coming in when it started raining. It started raining a little after midnight. And we went everywhere from drizzle to torrential downpour all throughout the day. We camped just off of the Rapidan River last night. Hiked down the horse trail on the opposite side of the Rapidan. We crossed over last night. Could not cross back over where we crossed earlier. Got some flooding going on. But we hiked down the horse trail, made it to the fire road where there is a bridge, and we crossed over there. Zigzag up the Rapidan Road back towards Big Meadows. And we finally decided to call timeout around about 1:30. Get our stuff set up in the torrential downpour. Ran my ridge line this time on my fly. And enough distance between my hammock and the fly so I won't have any water issues tonight. Hoping to sleep well. Take you back inside here. Oh, yes. And what's wild is even though the whole thing is mesh on the top, there's probably a good 5-7 degree temperature difference between outside my hammock and inside my hammock. I do have a waterproof tarp in the fold in my hammock here. Won't focus, will it? So it's Mylar on one side, waterproof tarp on the other side. Got one of those that I'm laying on. Got another one draped up over here as a windbreak, which I can pull all the way over in the middle of the night if I need to. Got my G-Shock right here. You can't see it. Well, maybe if I hit the light button. Let's see. Hey, G-Shock, yay! That's about all I got to say. Sitting here and my cat's meow, hanging from the trees in Shenandoah National Park. VA Backpacker Dave, rather tired. Out. Bye-bye.